In this short guide, how to invite users into an organization, what each of the 3 roles can do, and how to create or import users in bulk.
Inviting people takes seconds. Paste in one email address, or several separated by commas, and choose a role. There are 3. An admin has full administrative control of the organization. They can create and delete users, build courses, and manage everything inside it. An examiner can create and assign things, but cannot delete them. And a member is a student. Pick the role, send the invitations, and everyone on that list gets an email with their access.
If you would rather not use email invitations, create the accounts directly. Enter a name, an optional email address, and either set a username and password yourself or leave those blank and let PrepareBuddy generate them. And for a whole cohort at once, use bulk import. Download the sample file, fill in your students, upload it, and every user is created in one go.
And that is inviting users in PrepareBuddy. Get a demo at PrepareBuddy.com.